Welcome to this tutorial on how to earn rewards with Fidelity Cash Management. Fidelity Cash Management is a checking and savings account that offers a range of benefits, including debit card rewards, interest on your balance, and no monthly maintenance fees. To get started, you need to open a Fidelity Cash Management account, which can be done online or through the Fidelity mobile app. Once your account is open, you can earn rewards by using your debit card for everyday purchases. You will earn 1% cash back on all eligible purchases with no rotating categories or spending limits. To maximize your rewards, use your debit card for all your daily purchases, such as groceries, gas, and dining. You can also use it to pay bills online or set up automatic payments. Additionally, consider setting up direct deposit into your Fidelity Cash Management account to earn a higher interest rate on your balance. Another way to earn rewards is by using Fidelity's Cashback Partner Network, which includes popular merchants such as restaurants, retailers, and travel websites. When you shop through the Fidelity Cashback Partner Network, you can earn up to 5% cash back on your purchases. To access the Cashback Partner Network, log into your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app and navigate to the Rewards section. From there, you can browse available offers and shop through the partner network to earn cash back. It is also important to note that Fidelity Cash Management accounts have no minimum balance requirements, no monthly maintenance fees, and no ATM fees at over 40,000 ATMs nationwide. This means you can keep your account open and earn rewards without worrying about extra fees. In summary, earning rewards with Fidelity Cash Management is easy and straightforward. By using your debit card for everyday purchases, setting up direct deposit, and shopping through the Cashback Partner Network, you can maximize your rewards and earn cash back on your daily spending. With no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements, Fidelity Cash Management is a great option for anyone looking to earn rewards and manage their finances effectively.